Yeah, yeah. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname. I've always made a fool. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, 𝐒𝐮𝐦𝐬𝐧. Welcome back. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I have a new wig video coming from OMGHerHair, and if you like OMGHerHair, be sure to check the info section below because I'll have all the details, information, and links located there. So the wig that I have is their new fitted Glueless 360 curly high definition lace wig. It does have those realistic curly edges going around the entire perimeter. It has that super fine high definition lace, clean bleached hairline knots, and it does also have these invisible adjustable straps, giving you a nice, snug, secure glueless fit all the way around the entire wig. So the wig that I have is 20 inches long, 150% density, and it's in this gorgeous curly texture. As usual, I like to put the wig on to kind of show you guys exactly how I received the wig and to kind of look at it to figure out if any work needs to be done. Now the knots are nicely bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked, so I will not be doing anything there. You guys do notice the curly edges around the perimeter, which is so cute in my opinion. However, I'm just going to go ahead and co-wash my wig, and I did so off camera, and this is what it looks like. You guys do notice that the hairline is pre-plucked and no work needs to be done there, as well as the knots are nicely bleached, and I appreciated that because no work really needs to be done other than redefining the hair, because I did receive it and it was a bit disheveled, a little bit frizzy. However, a quick co-wash should take care of that, and you guys are gonna see how easily this wig comes together. I was completely shocked, y'all. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just lay around the kinky edges, and I purposely didn't bother the edges just because I wanted to deal with those later. And I wanted those to look as natural as possible, so I'm just going to just leave them as they are for now. Now this is what the very back of the wig looks like. It has those cute little curly coils in the back, and I thought that they were so cute. However, I'm going to leave those alone as well, and I'm just going to lay around the back perimeter now. I'm just using a little bit of water, a little bit of styling gel, and now I'm just going to brush everything up. You guys just look at how the hair comes together. It literally looks like the back of someone's actual head and it's a wig. Like, y'all, check that out. It's so pretty. Oh my god, like, I love it. So now I'm going to take this elastic band and I'm just going to wrap it from the very back to the front, just because I want that area to be nice and laid and look super nice once the hairstyle comes together. That is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to work on the actual hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get those curls defined. I'm just using a little bit of water. Then you guys are going to see me use my Wet n Wavy curl cream, and this is just going to allow the hair to remain soft, as well as it's going to clump all of the curls together. So then I'm going to take my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and y'all, need I say more? Like, look at how the curls are clumping together. Look at how easy this hair was to detangle. All you need is a little bit of water, small amount of product, and y'all, check that out. Like, it's so juicy and clumped together. You cannot tell me this doesn't look like actual African American type 3C, 4A, 4B hair. Y'all, it just came together and I'm like so here for it. So I let the wig sit and air dry, and this is what it looks like. So soft. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove that elastic band. So this is what the perimeter looks like. So now I'm just taking a hard edge brush and I'm just going to like manipulate those little curls to fill in those open gaps, just because I didn't want the wig to kind of have like that obvious thinning areas around the hairline. I wanted it to look as realistic as possible. This is what the very back of the wig looks like. So now I'm just taking a very small pair of cutting shears and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the lace all the way around the perimeter of the wig.
Pristine sound.
This step is optional, but I'm taking a foundation and I'm just applying it all over the lace just to where I can have a nice even match with my skin tone. So before I put the wig on, I'm just adjusting those invisible straps in the back because once the wig is on, I'm not going to have access to it. And I also decided to put on the removable elastic band because I wanted to get a nice secure fit. So let's go ahead and get the wig on and see what we're working with. So this wig is completely glueless and you don't have to use any adhesives or anything. However, I will be temporarily adhering my wig down just because my hair underneath the wig isn't braided back. So I needed all the extra security that I can get. So I will be using my 𝐒𝐿 glued spray. And again, I'm just going to temporarily adhere this wig down. I decided to trim back some of the curly edges just because it was a tad bit too long for my liking. So I'm just trimming the smallest amount just to where it looks more realistic. And this is pretty much what this wig is looking like. My favorite part about this wig is definitely the curls, like the texture of the hair. It is so gorgeous, like it looks super realistic. I just can't get enough of it. The hair is super soft, super movable. It just looks super realistic. Even the small amount of frizz that you see popping up gives it that realistic look as if I could have grown it myself, and I love it. Now the only issue is that I do have to work a little more on the edges just because it kind of looks weird, but I'm still going to work on it, and I'm going to give you guys another option on how you can definitely wear this wig. But you guys get into those curls, super soft, like oh my god, I'm just so much in love with it. So now I'm taking a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse and I'm placing it directly on the kinky edges, and now I'm just going to use like an edge brush and just brush them back. Like I wanted them to not necessarily be separated from the rest of the hair, but I kind of wanted everything to kind of, you know, be uniformed and together. I went ahead and I applied my edge band, and now I'm just going to blow dry it just to sort of quicken the process of the edges drying. And now I'm just going to go in and redefine the hair just because I did pick up a little frizz. So after about 5 minutes or so, I went ahead and I removed my elastic band, and this is what the curly edges are now looking like. I actually prefer this look so much more other than the other look, just because everything is more uniform and together, and there's no like demarcation or gap separating the edges from the actual hair. Everything is just kind of nice and together. So yeah, I'm definitely liking this look so much more. However, I wanted to give you guys a different styling option, and I really wanted to wear this hair in a high ponytail, but unfortunately my hair underneath the wig isn't braided down, and I have a lot of hair underneath the wig, so I just decided to use my little duck beak clip, and I'm just going to clip everything up and give you guys a good look at the very back of the wig. You guys notice the curly edges in the back, they look more frizzed out, more natural, because I don't know about you guys, but my hair cannot stay curly for the life of it. I do pick up a lot of frizz really easily, so this is something that looks more realistic for someone like me in my hair texture. But this is definitely what this wig is looking like. Once again, you guys do check out OMGHerHair. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. This wig does retail for $339. But if you use my discount code, which is 𝐒𝐿ease30, you can save $30 when you spend $179 or more. You guys definitely do check out OMGHerHair. They do offer free shipping, and also they have a buy it now, pay later option, so therefore you don't have to splurge all at once. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I am definitely loving the texture, so pretty, oh my god. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.